finally taken a session under you, because I have heard a lot about you and I've also met you before. So this is the reason where I told Surekha, my God, Zenith is conducting, I'm for sure going to take it. So, Zenith, I really had a great time. This session was amazing. I think so. You made it very crisp and clear. Just to the, uh, just what you shared, that when you do posh, you have to be non-emotional. You cannot be in the emotions into it, because you have to give a right perspective. What is the law? So law has to be the way it is. That's how it has to be stated. So exactly in the same way, you have given us the posh training also. That this is how it is and this is how it has to be understood. So though there is a psychological element, and we do tend to get into, go overboard there, here, there, and now we do get conducted into emotional. But I think so. What I learned is how you should handle the emotions also when you are conducting this training. It really does make a lot of difference. Thirdly, very important part was that the presentations you made us do, I think that the maximum learning happened there and then, because the same law, we heard it from each other at least 10 times. So that was amazing learning, and also we also underwent to create the PPT, and how this could be created in so many different ways. We got those perspectives. So thank you, Zira. That was amazing.
Thank you.
Only one thing I would say on a personal note: you look very strict.
Thank you.
And may I say something?
Yes, please, Tirtha. Yes.
Uh, you are seriously, you are too much strict. This is my first time when I am giving for 30 minutes constant English speaking. I am a very poor in English. So as per your instruction, I am first time in my, I am several training doing in my in West Bengal in Panchayat. So there are speaking in Bengali, but you can't speak in Hindi one time also. So I am really first time and really difficult to understand, but I am now really habituated. Thank you for your support.
তীর্থা, I have to say something, হ্যাঁ, তুমি
I'm so
খুব ভালো
happy that
কিন্তু, হ্যাঁ, খুব ভালো করে তুমি ইংলিশটাও বলতে পেরেছো আর হিন্দিও বলতে পেরেছো, খুব ভালো করেছো।
uh, ये जो हिंदी मैंने लिखा, इंग्लिश जो मैंने बोला था, वो मैं कल परसों से मैं एक नोट पे लिखा था, ये क्या कौन सा स्लाइड पे मुझको क्या क्या बोलना होगा, वो मैंने देख देख के बोला। आप अगर चाहे तो मैं अपना जो नोटबुक है वो भी मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ।
don't use Hindi anymore, Tirtha. You are very good at English. Please continue talking in English only.
Actually, last 2 days I am just writing all the things which I will be presented. I write in the notebook, and that time I will just really afraid what I know that's a understanding, but I have, if you say that something in Hindi that will be easier to me. But for your strict instruction, I am really followed. Thank you. And this is first time I
Very
will
nice.
never in my life, and first time I will present in English all the entire presentation English. Thank you.
জিনাত,
শেখা স্যার
হেমলতা,
বাংলা আর ভালো।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Zinat, can I go
Yes,
next?
please.
Hemlata.
Yes.
So, Zinat, I would actually say not strict, but I think it comes all down to your commitment. That whatever we had enrolled for the course, we get the maximum out of it, and I think you ensured that. I really have a lot of respect for you. After I've really gone through. No, seriously, I mean it, Zinat. I think you have been very committed to our learnings, and I think that's why the way you have programmed it in terms of 18 hours session, coupled with studies, I think it was well structured. Though I had a basic knowledge of the act, but I think after attending especially the timelines and how the complaints has to be, the second part of basically the act has become very clear. I feel more confident on the subject. So thank you very much. I think it is time well spent. And thank you, Surekha, for all the coordination. I think you were great support during the course too.
Thanks, Hemlata.
Zenith, if you don't mind, can I leave the call because I have another call at 3. I need to just catch up with my lunch and then catch up with that call.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Yeah, we'll stay in touch on the group. Thank you. Bye bye.
I have to say, I have to say for Surekha also, sorry, I'm just barging in again. I just have to add on for Surekha. Thank you, Surekha, because Surekha, a day before my presentation, she had to undergo my, I did all the presentation to her and took her feedback. And thank you, she has been very supportive all through. Also, I had missed my first session, so she also went through that with me. So thank you very much, Surekha. You've been really pro at it.
Thanks, Ranu.
Okay, I'm going next because I also have a session, but I hate to give my feedback in a rushed form. So, okay, Zenith, you are a beautiful person inside out. There's no doubt about it, and you are actually quite paradoxical because you the way you speak, you look very soft. The way you speak is also very soft, but that softness belies the strength that you emanate, the firmness, the assertiveness that you emanate is belied by the softness of your tone and your voice. You're very pleasant, but at the same time very assertive. And I think that is a very important attribute of a facilitator or a coach or a trainer. You should know when to stop and how to stop your participants from going overboard. And I think you did it beautifully well. And I must say that Surekha's contribution to the entire program has been like you have created the flesh, and Surekha was like the structure, the backbone. She has provided her support both offline and online, and I think you guys make a great team. Okay, and Surekha, you are forever cheerful. I don't know how you manage that. You're always cheerful, and I love to, just to listen to that chirpiness in your voice. I would love to talk to you often.
Thank you
Okay,
so much,
so
Gauri. That really means a lot.
lovely, lovely. I've learned a lot, though not as much as I would love to because of my other commitments. And you've been very patient with me. Thank you, and I hope we will continue this association for a very, very long time.
Definitely, for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, Zina, Darshana here.
Hi, Darshana.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to do this course since long, and I was looking out for the options. So, where should I do it from? And I get to see this advertisement through in one of the group by Sureka. So I got connected to her, and initially I was not very convinced. Should I join it? Should I go for it? How is going to be a training? Who's going to do that training? How's going to be a trainer? And but then once I spoke to Surekha, so all credit goes to Surekha because the way she spoke to me, the way she convinced, she did not actually convince, but after talking to her, I got convinced. And when I joined the course, like from the day one, I don't think you are very strict. You pretend to be one, but you are a very emotional person. That's what I feel about you. I could see the depth, the knowledge you have about the topic, your commitment about the topic. Everything is the way you handle the topic. It was very difficult topic to understand. Each and every aspect of it. Very small things. So it was there was a lot of learning. There was a lot of learning, and I'm so glad that I have joined this course and I am in this group wherein I get to meet different kind of people, and there's a lot of knowledge sharing in this group. So I'm the lucky one, I suppose, and thank you Sureka. And Sureka, yeah, you're always cheerful. Um, so when Zinat used to say Sureka, and I used to always get that thing, yes, I'm very much there, So that's very nice. So thank you so much, Zinat. And definitely we like
Thank you, Darshana.
association. Yeah. Thank you so much. Grateful. Bye.
Zina, Shashi this side. I would
Yes,
love to say certain things. And I don't know whether you have recorded Gauri's and Darshana's feedback, because they were really awesome. After that, I am speechless, because the way they have presented. Anyhow, in whatever simplicity and coming from my hearts, I have to share two things. One about the training program and another about the person who is conducting it. About the training program, the group was awesome, the learning was awesome, and it had I don't think it would have been better for me to do this thing, no other platform. The kind of patience you show with the different mindset coming from the different backgrounds, different understanding, the kind of assertiveness, I'll say, you show that is really great. And this actually brings the result, and which is very much evident, that each and every participant feels so satisfied that they have learned it. And now I will say that thank you so much, Zenith, for taking me as your student, because I know I am the tough nut, not easy to crack, and it's difficult to hold it, but you did a beautiful job. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So Sashi, give me some credit for this also, huh? Because I'm a great supporter of Zenith. So I also should get some credit.
All credit goes to you. You are the main person. You are the cog wheel. That's why the wheel is moving. You and Surekha. Zenith is what Zenith is doing right now only because of the support of you,
Because
such nice person.
as you talk about Zenith's achievement and positive, I feel so proud. I feel very good.
I can understand from the day one, sir. I have seen you, the kind of that emotions you have for her, and the I found that you feel short of words to express your feelings, and I do understand that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Zina. This is Manoj. Hello, sir. How are you? Okay, so they say that what others see you is how you see yourself as. And that's why I guess they say that you should, your main competitor is the person in the mirror. There's nobody else who can give you competition but the person in the mirror. And I guess that's why they also say that the best person that you need to talk and listen to is yourself. Nobody else can give you the best advice at all, right? Like everybody has already pointed out, I too had a lot of qualms about joining this session. I had a lot of questions. Surekha answered all those questions completely. She even provided a lot of material in written for me to be able to pick it up. Of course, I'd known Surekha, Arun sir, and you, Zenith, for quite some time now through our meetings. Okay, and I must say, prevention of sexual harassment is something. The main reason that I wanted to join here is yes, I have been the victim once, where of course it all turned out to be false. The case that I presented to you about the strawberry thing was actually something that I'd gone through. Okay, and I actually wanted to see as to how companies use or misuse this particular act or this particular law, which is actually there to protect the women, right? And how the people of today and how companies of today are using it for their own benefits. Okay. The first case that I told you about, the CEO of the company cutting a girl's hair at a party, etc., was also one of my personal experiences. And it all turned out that this particular CEO was a taskmaster, and a lot of the top management did not like the way he functioned because they had their own ways of functioning. And of course, again, the law was misused to take him out of the company, etc. Okay, so yes, that's what I wanted to do. The other reason for me wanting to learn this thing is that I'll be doing a lot of sessions with cooperative societies in and around my area to be able to increase the awareness. And I'll be doing it for parents and children. Children who are about less than 8 years of age and I'll be doing it for their parents as well. So I actually wanted to understand everything because, and when you rightfully pointed out that it's the society which has to be changed first, I guess I had already put myself into the process. Very enlightening. You brought to light practically every nook and corner of the whole thing. And when people told me that you researched very well, etc., I guess that is what made me want to research the whole topic thoroughly, bringing out documents, checking cases, and frankly speaking, that whole presentation that I presented to you, I mean, it was a work of about 3 odd hours after I put all my research into place, right? So yes, and overall, thank you to both you, Zeenat, and to Surekha, and all the participants. You all have been wonderful people, and I'd love to be in touch with all of you and the both of you as well. Thank you so much. Appreciate everything, all the efforts.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj. Naresh.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you, Zeenat, for your support. Thank you, Surekha. Thanks to all the participants and Arun sir. Without the participants, there is no show. So I'm so happy with all the learning. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Naresh. Zeenat, I'd like to take this opportunity for me also to say a few words.
Yes, please.
So, I embarked on this journey of being a co-facilitator and learner from Zeenat since the time that I did my post-training program with Zeenat. And every time I have a doubt or a query, she, in her own sweet, nice way, tries to ensure that I have the answers to my own questions, but prompts me with it very indirectly. So when she mentioned that Sashi is her mentor and does the same to her, I knew where she had learned it from. Zeenat, you've been a great friend and a guide. And I am so happy that you are here in Hyderabad and looking forward to meeting you again soon. Every conversation I have with you, it's immense of learning. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to be your co-facilitator. I hope I have done you proud and done a decent job of it. Looking forward to doing more such sessions and learning more from you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It was all your support and the way everyone is saying that though you didn't sell, you didn't counsel, but they got convinced with the way you presented the points about the subject. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Zeenat.
All done, sir. We missed taking a group photo because people are getting late and we extended the time for 30 minutes.
That's right. Arun sir?
Yeah.
So can we all come on screen and take a screenshot, a print? Last thing.
Zeenat, I just need to press the print screen button, right? In this mode?
Let everyone come on the screen. We'll do a print screen and then paste it on your WhatsApp message in the group.
Last time I couldn't succeed in that task. That's the reason I'm asking you now.
Print screen from the laptop, go to WhatsApp, on the group just paste, Control V, copy paste kind. So then go to your WhatsApp and paste it, Control V. Everyone, can you please come on screen? Manoj, Shashi, Ranu, Darshana, Surekha, sir.
Very much there, Zeenat.
Screen, I can't see you.
I'm there.
Darshana, Manoj, I can't see you.
I'm here.
I'm there. Okay, let's take a print screen. Arun sir is also there. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Zeenat. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Why, you are looking so beautiful today.
No, she looks beautiful every day. Yaar. Every time she
Yeah,
turns on, she looks beautiful.
Maybe I get to see her on screen, so she's looking beautiful today.
Thank you.
I'm sure.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll be in touch in the group. I'll combine both the groups, batch 1 and batch 2, and continue to participate there as well. Bring up cases, bring up queries, questions. So as Arun sir said, the journey has just begun.
Yeah.
Chalo, see you all. Thank you, Arun sir.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun sir.
Thank you,
And
everybody. Thank
looking
you,
forward to
everybody.
being in touch with
Bye-bye.
everybody. Bye-bye.
So you there, Dina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just let me check. I guess others left now.
Yes, all of them have left.